A girl who isn't empowered is vulnerable. A wide range of girls are stuck in very toxic relationship, in abusive relationship, simply because they are not financially empowered. Let me give you an instance. A girl who is staying in one of the places in Abuja and her rent for maybe a one-bedroom apartment of a self-contained is 1.2 million. That 1.2 million is sponsored by a man. It is a man who is paying the rent of 1.2 million naira. A man is funding her expensive lifestyle. A man is funding her luxurious hair that she's wearing. A man is funding everything. Let me tell you, no matter how disrespectful that man treats her, okay, it will be very difficult for that girl to walk away from that relationship until she finds a replacement for him. Why? Because if she walks away, who is going to pay her next rent? Who is going to fund that lifestyle that she's living? The only time she will leave that man is only when she has seen another man that can replace or that can do the things that this current man is doing for her. Until she finds that man, she will never leave. So today we're going to be talking about how to get financial freedom as a girl, because this is all what we need. A good man, a man that is worth your stress, would love you even when you're financially liberated. Only an insecure man, a man with inferiority complex, okay, a man with low self-esteem would want a woman who is not financially free, because they want to manipulate them, because they want to disrespect them, because they want them to eat and swallow all of the rubbish. That is why they are looking for a woman who is not financially liberated. A man who has high self-esteem, a man who is going to respect you, a man who loves you, would want you to be financially liberated. If you see any man who is looking for a girl who is financially, dependent, okay, who isn't financially independent, know that that man has low self-esteem. Quote me anywhere. Now let's start. These are ways as a girl to have financial freedom. Number one is changing your mindset. Changing your mindset is cutting your coat according to your size or according to your clothes, however they put it. No do past yourself. Life is in stages and life is in levels. No do past yourself. If you cannot on your own, from your job, from your business, afford a house of 2 million naira, don't stay in a 2 million naira house because a man is funding it. What if he starts disrespecting you? How would you live? So number one thing is changing your mindset. Live according to the stage of your life that you are. Don't live above your means. It will get you into problem. You end up being in series of toxic and abusive relationship, disrespecting relationship, simply because you're looking for someone to fund that lifestyle that you cannot fund as a girl on your own. The second thing, sweetheart, get a job. You need to get a job. This one, it's no two ways about it. Now, what do I mean by getting a job? You might not get the desired job you're looking for, but just like I said earlier, life is in stages. Get a job, no matter how small that job is. The most important thing is you have somewhere that you can go to. From that job that you think is insignificant, you can save up money to start up your business. From that job that is not your ideal kind of job, you can see a job that is better than that one. Just go there, be committed, have the experience, explore, save up or save out a little money and start up a side hustle from that money you're saving. Even if you don't want to work for someone, you need to work with someone to save up enough to be a boss of your own. The third thing that can give you financial freedom as a girl, I talked about saving. Well, you can say, how much is my salary that I will save? Well, you don't have to save so much. From the little you're paid, okay, you can save up. Saving is about sacrifice. Saving is about delaying gratification. Saving, no matter how small it is, just make sure you make it a habit of saving. We have different applications that can help you save. You can start, how do they call it, a job with your fellow colleagues, even if you're putting 5,000 naira monthly from your little salary. I'm not saying go and enter a job that you have to collect money from someone to pay. I'm talking about from your own little earnings. Try to save, no matter how difficult it is. They say little drops of water makes an ocean, a mighty ocean. So no matter how small it is, try to save. From that little savings, you can use it to start something of your own, either learn a skill or to start a business. We have a lot of applications that can help you save even on your own. We have the Piggyverse, we have, is it the Cowrywise? We have different applications that can help you save. Let's move on to the next way to have financial freedom as a woman is volunteering. Well, talking about volunteering, this is something that I really need to do a whole episode on volunteering. I cannot emphasize the importance of volunteering. How does volunteering work? Like, if you love to be in the media industry, approach any media outfit that has a space for volunteers. Approach them, go there and tell them that you want to volunteer. Yes, they might not really pay you, or they might just pay you just a token. The essence of volunteering is for you to get a skill. Most of the jobs that you want to apply today, they are going to ask you for job experience. How can you have job experience if you have not worked in an actual place? There are many importance of volunteering. Number one, it gives you the experience. Number two, it helps you to network in that area that you are interested. Let's say you are interested in the tech industry, or you're interested in any field, okay, on any field, okay. Being in that place helps you to network, helps you to know people in that area. So that's one thing volunteering does to you. It helps you to know when there'll be. Let me tell you, if you're volunteering in a place and you have a good work attitude, you're good at what you do, you're committed, if there's any vacancy, you'll be the first person that will be contacted. So volunteering is very important. One thing about volunteering that is not an everyday thing. You can have your business at the side and you can just be going there 2 times. It depends on how you negotiate with the place. The most important thing, you're gaining the skills. The most important thing is you're networking. The most important thing is that can land you another job, okay? And that is another thing. It's all about improving yourself. The third way you can improve yourself as a girl having financial freedom is start a business. Well, starting a business, you can say, there are different ways you can start a business, sweetheart. From your little savings, you can start a business. And these days, you can even start a business without even having 5 naira, without having capital. It is called drop shipping. It is called affiliate marketing. You need to learn about affiliate marketing. You have a phone. There are many materials on YouTube. There are many materials on Facebook that you can learn about drop shipping, and you can learn about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you sell other people's products for a commission. Or drop shipping, you have someone who sells very quality items. All you need to do is be reposting their pictures, and when someone orders for it, you're going to add your own little commission. You pay to the person, and the person is going to deliver on your behalf as though you are the one. So that is ways you can start up your business even without a capital. Yes, from your little savings, from the work you've been doing, you can use it to start a business. There are different and diverse lucrative businesses you can do, from fashion to women health products, selling of fashion items, to agricultural product, to electrical product, to even selling of farm produce, okay, palm oil, potatoes, different things that you can, different businesses that are out there that you can do with one. The most important thing is having something of your own that you say, this is mine, making your own money. And another thing is learning a skill. This one has been, should I say, it has become a cliche. Learning a skill is very important, okay? You need to learn a skill. In this world of today, people survive by having a skill. What is your skill? And how can you, learning a skill, you need to have money, right? That is why I said get a job, no matter how small that job is. From your little savings, you can use it to go learn a skill. And how some other people learn skills is that they go to volunteer. I talked about volunteering. You can learn a skill by volunteering. Your service is free. So in the process, you are learning. It's all about you being humble. Life is in stages. Before you get there, humble yourself, okay? Humble yourself and consider yourself as nothing, because if you're not humble, you cannot learn. Learn a skill. It will do you more good than harm, okay? That money you're using to buy the expensive accessories, the expensive hair. Yes, I'm not saying expensive accessories and expensive hair are not important, but one thing you should know is that there is time for everything, okay? There is time for everything. The time will come when you have all of those things in abundance, but till then, use that money to go learn a skill. So what other ways do you think can help a girl obtain financial freedom, I'd like you to share those ways. These are some of the ways I have shared. First of all, change your mindset. Okay, cut your code according to your size. Life na jeje. Secondly, I talked about getting a job for yourself, and no matter how small it is, the most important thing is you are saving little by little. I also talked about volunteering your services. That way you can get experience, you can make connections on your areas of interest. I also talk about starting a business, no matter how small. It could be drop shipping, it could be affiliate marketing, no matter how small it is. Okay, it's better. What I tell people that it's better to start a business small and make the mistakes while you have not invested so much money. Because even if you have 5 billion naira, if you don't have the experience, your 5 million naira go lost. Thank you so much for joining this video today, and I'm wishing you all the best. I want you to be financially empowered because I want you to have a say. Let me tell you, any woman who is not financially empowered will always be a prey to a man. Yes, okay. Many women are in wrong relationship, in abusive marriages, simply because they are not financially empowered and independent. So whatever is thrown at them, they don't have a choice. Please, I would like you to have a choice. Be in a relationship because this person gives you peace. Be in a relationship because this person gives you love, not simply only because of money. Okay? Whatever abilities a man has to make money, you also have it. You have the intelligence, you have the resources, you have everything it takes to make that money that you think a man is making. So do not limit yourself to the fact that you cannot survive without a man. The same eyes a man has, the same hands, the same brain. Your brain is even sharper than a man's brain. Quote me anywhere. Your brain is sharper, you are multitasking, you have the ability to achieve double or whatever a man is achieving. So don't subject yourself to any toxic relationship simply because of money. You can't financially liberate yourself. And I wish you all the best, and consider subscribing, liking this video to encourage me to do more. Have a nice time. My name is Tina Oje. Till I see you again, be good and have a good time. Bye-bye.